music class. So today we're going to continue with chord work on the piano or keyboard. Okay, so today we shall learn some new chords and also we shall try it with a song. Name of the song is Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Okay, besides learning the song, the chords of the song, also you'll be learning how to play a rhythm with your two hands. Okay, so this is a very pianistic approach and it's a little tougher. The keyboard you have to play with one hand and the keyboard does the work for you. But we want to be more proficient, so let us hear how to do it pianistically. It's a very simple approach. So let us go on with the song. I'm going to change to a keybed view and learn these new chords and sing along. I'll put the lyrics and the chords at the side of the video at the end so you can print it out also. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, here we have a view of the keybed. So today the new chords that we are going to learn are D major and E minor. Last time we had learned the C chord, F chord and the G chord. Okay, so this time we are going to learn the D chord and the E minor chord. Now notice when I play the chord, I'm playing here in root position. That means my thumb is holding the main note. If I'm playing C major chord, thumb is holding at C. If I'm playing G major, then I'm playing, the thumb will be at G. And F, of course F we're not using this time. So let us take the new chord which is D major. Now D major, the spelling of D major is D, F sharp and A. Okay, so D I'm going to play with my thumb, F sharp with the third finger and A with my small finger, little finger. Okay. The next chord that we'll learn will be E minor. E minor is, chord spelling of E minor is E, G and B. Okay, so I'm playing E minor here. Just notice the minor chord is a little sad sounding. It sounds a little sad. Whereas a major chord will sound happy. Okay, so these are the two new chords that we're learning. Now, how to play with the words and the song. Now the song is written in such a way that the chord is given on top of the word where you have to change it. Okay, so you'll see this. I found a love. On love we have a G chord. Okay, so I'm going to play G. I found a love for me. This new chord E minor on me. Darling, just drive right in, see, and follow my lead. Okay, well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. There's a slight change, yes. The minor chord comes on sweet. Beautiful and sweet, I never knew there was one, someone waiting for me. Okay, so that is how we're changing the chords exactly on top of the word. Now let us come to the rhythm part. Rhythm part with the right hand, I'm going to play this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this song is in a time signature called 12/8. Okay, so I'll be playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then the next chord will be E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let us go. I found a love. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Darling, just drive right in. 9, 10, 11, 12. My lead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, now G I'm playing in an inversion. I'm not playing G this way. I'm playing D, G and B. Okay, the same notes, but I'm playing it with a D at the bottom because it's more convenient for me to change my chord. So G we're going to play this way. Okay, so very easy. I found a love for me. Okay, now where does the left hand come. Left hand will come and play the G note. Okay, I found a love. Now for E minor I'll switch my note to E. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Darling, just drive right in C and follow my lead. Now this sounds nice, but it'll sound better if you put and play 2 G's for the beginning. So I'll play this G with my thumb and this G with my lower finger, little finger. So I'll play I found a love for me. Darling, just drive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were someone waiting for me. Okay, so it becomes quite simple. Now you have to play this right-handed expression. So you play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It sounds better than playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Excuse me, I got a bad throat. So we can go, you play with the right hand expressively. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. And so forth. Okay, so let me cover the song, the pre-chorus and the chorus. Okay, let us do it. Excuse my throat, it's in a real bad state. I'm going to sing along anyway. Let's go. I found a love for me. Darling, just drive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, time the changes are fast. G time. On I we are doing D now. And so we go 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Becomes very simple. Now I'm also adding, besides my left hand, only suppose I'm starting on G. Beside G, I'm going to play a D. Okay, so it will sound even more interesting. I found a love for me. For the E minor, the second note will I'll play with my second finger is B. So E, so B. Darling, just dive right in. Now here I'm playing C, G, C. Okay, so the first one again I'll start with G is G, D, G, E, B, E, C, G, C. Now D, D, A, D. Okay, so we got a corresponding what they call the fifth note for the chord. The fifth note for G is playing a D. The fifth note for E minor or even E major is E, B, E. Then for C, C, G, C, and for D is D, E, D. Okay, that's it. Now you're set for the song, and I'll just do the song again. Let us go and finish it till the end. I found a love for me. Drive right in and follow my lead. The life on the board, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were someone I'm not playing the fifth note mostly because the chords double over here. So I can play only the main note. E. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. Barefoot in the grass. Okay. So this is how we cover this whole song. So I hope you enjoy playing this. Try it slowly. Don't go in a rush for it. First concentrate on your chords in your right hand. Doing that 12, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And slowly add your left hand. Okay. Take it slow. You'll all know the songs. But take it slowly, and also the main tip is to sing along with the song. So when you sing along with the song, you also get an idea where to change your chord. Okay, so have fun with this. I'm putting the song at the end of the video. You can pause the video there and print it out. Okay, boys and girls, take care. Bye.